Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7a and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is just by using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both options and I'd like to start with a code. So let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way. You will be able to use it whenever for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone. And here we do not have to really enter any other section because the IMEI numbers are displayed right here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check both IMEI numbers in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.